English for everyone. Welcome to Helen's English Center. Enjoy the video. Here we go. Conversation at a restaurant. At the restaurant. Waiter.
Can I help you?
Lucy.
A table for two, please.
Waiter.
Okay, this way.
Ordering. Waiter.
Are you ready to order?
Lucy.
We'll have the chicken and vegetables, and a vegetable pasta, please.
Waiter.
Anything to drink?
Lucy.
Just some water, please.
After the meal. Waiter.
Can I get you anything else? Coffee? Dessert?
Lucy.
No, thank you, just the bill.
Making a reservation. David.
I'd like to make a reservation for 2 people on Friday night.
Waiter.
What time would you like?
David.
7 p.m.
Waiter.
We don't have anything available at 7 o'clock. Is 8:30 p.m. okay?
David.
Yes, that's fine.
Waiter.
Your name, please?
David.
David Brown.
Waiter.
Okay, Mr. Brown. We'll see you at 8:30 on Friday.
David.
Thank you. Bye.
Lucy.
Thank you.
Waiter.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
The end. You can follow me on my Facebook.com, my Twitter, my blog, helensenglishcenter.com, and you can subscribe to my channel at youtube.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon.